Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the MAF sensor, also known as mass airflow sensor, fuses and relays are located, which fuses and relays control it, we'll explain that. Also, if you need to buy parts to use at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. Let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Charger here. Now guys, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes. The first fuse box, we need to open the hood on your Dodge Charger, and doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, the fuse box facing the engine is on the left side, that's the passenger side. Here that fuse box, press the two tabs together, pull that cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here is what we need to check: multiple fuses, relays. By the way, if you want to see how to test mass airflow sensor, we have that's known as MAF sensor. We have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step, so you don't waste money on one. If you come here in that row of fuses, even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot. That's fuse 28, 29, 30, 31. That's the first fuse that you need to check. Now we'll be checking multiple fuses because they're for engine management and there is very limited information, but most likely those fuses will control some of the functions, will be for a MAF sensor. Next, you need to, guys, check fuse number 34, 35, 37. Also you need to check relay 63, which is known as ASD relay. Okay, right here. After that, you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, and in the trunk leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, the car battery. Behind it, it's a fuse box here, guys. That's a closer look. Press the tabs together, pull that cover out. You have that layout here specifically. Here we need to check relay 29, which is that relay here, and some of you may have relay number 14. If you have it, check it as well, guys. Those are the most common things you need to check. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.